Dogge lies in bed. It is 1 in the morning. He closes his eyes and wants to sleep, but he cannot. Dogge tosses and turns as he starts overthinking.
I think I should sleep sooner now. What the duck? I can't sleep.
He is simply very stressed and has high cortisol levels. High cortisol is like drinking 10 cups of hot coffee. Dogge gets easily irritated and cannot relax.
Hey Dogge, check this out quick. I have the ultimate sleep gummies. I have relaxing herbal tea from Mount Mapupu. Buy one of these and you will be calm in no time.
No, Dogge is smart and he does not fall for scams. Dogge knows that calmness is not a shady gummy, nor is it an overpriced leaf from Mount Wetwastat. A calm and healthy mind is built. You do not buy it, you earn it. So, today I will teach you how to lower cortisol effectively. First, Dogge must prioritize quality sleep. 5 hours of sleep is not enough. He needs 7 to 9 hours of rest. Consistent sleep is crucial, as chronic sleep issues cause high cortisol. Dogge needs to create a consistent bedtime routine. He should go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time every day. This restores the body's natural rhythm and prevents cortisol from staying high into the evening. Next, Dogge must practice mindfulness. He should try meditation, yoga, or Tai Chi. These practices directly reduce cortisol. Regular meditation is especially powerful, as it can cut cortisol levels in half. Furthermore, Dogge must engage in regular exercise. Since intense workouts can temporarily raise stress, Dogge should focus on low to moderate intensity exercise. He can go for a long walk, hike in the hills, or do restorative yoga. This approach lowers baseline cortisol over time. Dogge must also practice deep breathing, which stimulates the resting nervous system. He can use the 4-7-8 method. Dogge inhales for 4 seconds, holds his breath for 7 seconds, and exhales for 8 seconds. Deep breathing stops stress in just a few minutes. Additionally, Dogge must eat a balanced diet. He should eat whole, nutrient-dense foods to help manage his cortisol. Dogge needs to consume high-fiber foods and healthy fats, such as dark chocolate, yellow bananas, and green avocados. He should also drink green tea, which contains L-theanine and significantly decreases stress hormones. Finally, Dogge must spend time in nature. He should visit green spaces to practice what is known as forest bathing. Being around trees makes Dogge very calm. Nature significantly lowers cortisol and reduces high blood pressure. Just 20 minutes outside works magic. Lowering cortisol is simple but not easy. You only need to follow these steps. Dogge needs to get good sleep, meditate, walk outside, breathe deeply, eat healthy food, and sit in nature. Once he does this, Dogge loses all of his stress and feels great. He does excellent work at his job. Boss Dog looks at him, smiles broadly, and says, "You are such a good dog."